Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Studio by Sajid. So let us discuss about today's session about the Ganga River and its tributaries. So what does it mean? The Ganga River, why it is so important? This Ganga River is an iconic river and one of the most biggest important river. So let us discuss about this topic. The Ganga has three sources. So what are the sources? First one I have written Gangotri Glacier. Second one I have written Satopanath Glacier. So in a simple way to understand, Gangotri, the famous movie. I think you have remembered that movie. The name of the movie is Allu Arjun's movie. It is the first movie of Allu Arjun, that is the Gangotri. So that we can call it the Gangotri Glacier. What is it meant by glacier? Glacier is an ice that moves towards the front. Okay, that is about the glacier. And next we'll talk about the Satopanath. I think you will maybe confused about the Satopanath. It's a simple to write about the son of Satyamurti. These are the two famous movies of Allu Arjun. These moreover one thing that this whatever the Ganga river, that is an iconic river. Allu Arjun is also an iconic star, and here we are talking about the Ganga river is also iconic river here. So Gangotri Glacier and second one will be the Satopanath Glacier. So here where it is called as the Bhagirathi. Where this Gangotri is called as the Bhagirathi. And next Satopanath Glacier, where we can say that the glacier that moves towards the northwest of Badrinath. Where it is moving northwest side is called as the Badrinath. Badrinath is also what? Badrinath is also name of the famous movie star. That is Allu Arjun we have. Right? I think you remember that. This is totally talking about today Allu Arjun only. In a simple way we can say that. Okay? This is also Bhagirathi, Allu Arjun, the son of Satyamurti. We can say that the Badrinath, that is the Allu Arjun movie. And here we can say that where it is called Alakananda. Badrinath movie that belongs to Allu Arjun. Alakananda, the famous heroine, the name of the character, Alakananda. Who is she? She is none other than Tamanna Bhatia. Students, don't write this thing in examination, right? So I am very simple to say that to identification for purpose only I am writing, okay? Just for your clarity purpose. While seeing of this Alakananda, just you have to remember the name of the famous actor. She is none other than Milk Beauty, Tamanna Bhatia, right? So Gangotri Glacier, that is known as the Bhagirathi, the famous iconic star Allu Arjun. Next Satopanath Glacier, son of Satyamurti. Next I have written about the Badrinath, where it is the northwest flowing, and it is the famous hero, that is Allu Arjun, and the famous actors. What is her name? Alakananda. She is the Tamanna Bhatia. The two join at Devaprayaga to form the Ganga river that emerges from the hills of Haridwar. The Ganga is joined by a large number of tributaries, most unique river on the planet. It comes from Gaumukh, that is in the state of Uttarakhand. It extends across Bangladesh, Nepal, Tibet and India, covering almost 10,86,000 square kilometers of area. Okay, now we'll talk about the left bank tributaries. What are the left bank tributaries do we have in the Ganga river? That are the Mahananda, Kosi, Gagra, Ramganga, Gomti, Gandhar. Once again, these are the left bank tributaries. What are they? Mahananda, Kosi, Gagra, Ramganga, Gomti, Gandhar. And it is an easy way to understand the trick. What is the trick here? I have written here, see the sentence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi related to Gujarat at Gandhinagar. What I have written? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi related to Gujarat at Gandhinagar. This I have written a sentence formation for my identification. Like what? Here I have written Mohandas. Mohandas means Mahananda. Karamchand here Kosi. Gandhi is Gagra. Related Ramganga to Gujarat Gomti at Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is Gandhar. Once again students, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi related to Gujarat at Gandhinagar. So this is a simple way to understand. What are the left bank tributaries? Mahananda, Kosi, Gagra, Ramnagar, Gomti, Gandhar. So these are the important left bank tributaries. So now let us discuss about the right bank tributaries. What are the right bank tributaries do we have in the Ganga river? That are Yamuna, Son, Damodar. So in order to reduce your confusion, I have written here Yasoda. Yashoda. There is a movie of Samantha. So I have written here Yasoda. That is what YA here. That YA Yamuna. Next So I have written Son. Next Da. That is the Damodar. So I have written the Yasoda name as YA as Yamuna. So Son, Da for Damodar. So this is about the right and left bank tributaries of Ganga river. I hope that you understood the trick, and for more kind of this kind of tips and tricks, please try to see our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.